Hello everyone. So I'm going to take you very briefly through our presentation, how to turn your $30, a one-time $30 into a six-figure income without stress. This is presented by the Woohoo Women's Club and we're very excited to have you with us. So quickly, some feedback so far. I love how supportive the community is. Out of all the online businesses I've been involved with, this is by far the best and easiest to manage in 30 minutes a day. Grateful to be part of this beautiful community of women. So we've got some more. This opportunity is amazing. The women are absolutely great here, and to be able to make an extra income only working 30 minutes a day is life-changing. Joined the group last week, very happy to be here. I have gone through the training properly today, and wow, the simplicity of a 30-minute a day checklist. Thank you. I absolutely love being part of this group, the community of like-minded women coming from a digital marketing background where I literally struggled to break through to making my first sale in less than 24 hours is mind-blowing. So this is just honestly a tiny portion of the feedback that we have. We have so much more to share. So who is this for? This is for you, primarily if you do not wish to have to make a whole lot of videos of yourself talking and plaster it all over social media, okay? But you do wish and dream about making a full-time income online. It's for you if you don't have hours to spend or even 2 or 3 hours a day to spend to build your side hustle, but you really know that you need to have one. And this is honestly for you if you're brand new to this space, or if you've been doing this for years. I know either way you're going to love it. So in the next 5 minutes, we're going to show you how to build your online business without having to post on social media and without having to make videos. You're going to be able to do everything that we teach you to do in less than 30 minutes, I promise. There'll be no selling to anyone. This is not MLM, it's not cryptocurrency, and it's not network marketing, okay? And it's also a business that will help you to see where you don't have to worry where your next lead's going to come from or your next inquiry. Now, my promise to you is no videos, no posting, no social media, okay? I want to just really reiterate that. You're going to have a regular flow of perfect leads wanting to buy, and it is less than 30 minutes per day, okay? Now, is this a little how you feel? Oops, sorry. I don't know what happened there. We have to go back to technology. Is this a little how you feel? Basically sad, sad, and feeling disheartened and demoralized, posting randomly, hoping something's going to work, dreading having to make another video, not knowing how to make another video, not knowing if anyone's even going to watch your videos. Yes, that's how I felt, which is what led me to bring you this beautiful program we have now. The big question, are you secretly terrified that you're going to have to stay in that job that you really hate forever? Do you worry that you might never be able to actually crack this online income that you're looking to do and to be actually free from money worries once and for all? And also, do you feel a bit disappointed because you look at everybody else and they seem to be having success and you feel like you're not? Okay, these things are going to go away. Who am I? I'm Kirsty. I am living in London, but I'm an Australian from Sydney. I've been in the industry now for over 15 years, many very, very big Facebook groups. I have a dream to help 100,000 women. That's why I'm doing this as a passion project, but also I have an absolute belief that we have the power to transform so many lives. I'm only successful if you're all successful, and I really absolutely loathe wasting my time on social media, and I don't even have it on my phone. That's who I am. Okay, so next slide. What is it? Well, we have a very simple system called the Woohoo Women's Club. And yes, we celebrate sisterhood and we celebrate joy. That's what we want this to be all about for you guys. Refusing to sell our souls to social media and being absolutely glued to that little plastic box. You don't need to do videos with our system, and we market as a community. What's our secret weapon? Well, that's what we want you to learn now. It's without the fuss, making an income. So the secret is the old way, first of all, is joining the wrong groups, having a post on classifieds, not, just all this stuff, calling your family and friends, writing lists, cold messaging manual, random people that you wouldn't have a clue if they're going to be interested or not, but hoping to make a conversation with them and then try and sell them your thing, scrolling mindlessly, jumping from thing to thing, copying other people, just not being you and not doing what you want to do, spending a whole lot of time learning stuff but not doing anything, and really not knowing whether or not what you're doing is actually going to get you anywhere in the end. And that's a big one at the end, not seeing instant results. And so you're giving up too soon. But what we do, sorry, I read that wrong. We do what you don't want to do. Okay, so what do we do with the Woohoo Women's Club, just to get straight to it? We market as a group and we do all the marketing for you. Oh, that sounds too good to be true. Well, yes, it might, but it isn't too good to be true. We use our marketing to send leads to all of you guys. So we have a rotator, which I can explain more about, but basically it's a website that splits all of our links up so that whoever is looking to know more about us, they will be sent to you or to the next lady, and we all get a go. Nobody misses out. We also have a fully automated email follow-up system that we send on your behalf, again following up for you. We have a YouTube channel, which is amazing, which also brings leads for you. We also do all our videos that you can use and download to use, so you don't have to make your own if you don't want to. Again, you actually don't even have to use videos full stop in our system, but if you did want to, we have them. And we also have great posts that you can use if you want to as well. So we give you, there's something here for everyone at any stage of their journey. But I'll tell you, it is a very simple checklist that you will follow each day. It's a 7 steps, and we give this all to you as part of our system. So no more kind of wondering what you're meant to be doing, because guess what? We take all that wondering out of there for you. This is a simple system. We ask you to invite your Facebook friends, your contacts that you have made. We teach you how to make more contacts, the right types of contacts, by the way, so that you can invite them to our Facebook group, our private group. We ask you to interact on the posts in the group. We teach you how to do that. We give you the steps that you need to do in order to make any online business successful for you. So even if you're not going to be using the Woohoo group to make sales for yourself, if you want to use this to learn how to get sales for your other business that you're already in, believe me, this is going to transform things for you. Just having this checklist to follow is absolutely gold. Gold, gold, gold. So the group works for you and for everybody else in the group, okay? So basically you will join the Facebook group. You might already be in there when you're watching this, and you'll invite up to 50 friends to the group each day. They will join. As they join, you are tagged so you know when your lady has joined the group, okay? We also know because admin can see who has joined the group and who invited that person. So there's no mistakes, there's no guessing, there's no making it up. It is in writing for admin to see. So we let you know when your women join the group, and then we just tag them in the videos that we want them to see, like you're probably watching now. So there's no need for you to post on your own profile. There is no need for you to make videos, because all we do is teach you how to spend a quality 30 minutes per day. Absolute quality over quantity. And your friends will see the posts by doing what we teach you to do. And once they're ready to join, guess what? We send them on your behalf your payment link, and they will be your first sale, and there'll be many more to come. So we have got this system that there's a you and there's an us. You follow our 30-minute daily checklist, no making it up, no going off the rail, like literally just follow the system. Simple, tick, tick, tick. No making videos, no posting on your profile. And then we use your link to market on your behalf using all sorts of different methods. And everyone is included. And it is so, so beautiful having this system for you to have peace of mind and knowing that all you need to do is the list and you will be successful. This is all done for you. So how does it work? It's a $30 USD one-time fee. $30, okay? You'll follow our step-by-step checklist, 30 minutes a day. As your women join and asked to join as well, you will earn commissions. It's an affiliate marketing program. You, if you wish to, can purchase our $50 program, which allows you to earn more and more. And there are other programs I'll come to in a minute. You earn with our 2-tier affiliate program. So over 50, I think it's more like 55% is paid out in commissions to all of our community. You continue when you're ready to upgrade and to earn more and more as you go along. And we're going to teach you how to use your profits only to put them back into your business like a real business is run. So what do you get in the packages? Well, I promise you the feedback is exactly like this. No, it's not the same old boring stuff you can get everywhere else, because you've probably already got that. This is new and fantastic training that you will say, I promise you're going to say, I have never seen that before. So the packages, oh, sorry, it's a little bit corrupted on this screen, but you can see the $30 package here gives you the action plan, it gives you the checklist, it gives you the group marketing effort done on your behalf. We have VAs that are working full-time job to run our business on all of our behalf, okay? All of this, plus a winning mindset ebook. You get everything for $30 one time. It is absolutely incredible. And you have the power to make the commissions from anyone that you invite to the group who also wish to be part of this incredible system, done for you system. The $50 package gives you a Facebook group growth, all sorts of strategies about how to find your perfect client once and for all, how to know who your perfect client is that you want to be attracting to come to learn about what you're doing, what you're selling. It's an incredible, incredible training program, the $50. Sorry that the numbers are all mucked up, but anyway, so the $100 one, again, you have on the sales page of this program, all of these are laid out for you so you can read it a lot better than this. And the $500 and the $1,000 programs, they just got chockers full of incredible it's not crappy training that you've seen everywhere. It's not PDFs that are worth nothing. These are absolutely cutting edge training programs, okay? So more comments here. Just want to say what you're offering people is awesome. It will help many women. It already does, believe me, but yes, it will help many, many, many to come. This is such an amazing opportunity. It's fantastic, and this is what our women are saying, okay? Just a quick earnings disclaimer. You can pause this video and read this. Obviously, this is up to you to be a participant in what we're doing and to follow what we tell you. We can't make you do it, but if you do it, I promise you, you will have success. Okay, so I promised you today that I was going to help you to see how you can build an online business without having to post all over social media for everyone to know what you're doing or to waste so much time. No making videos. It's less than 30 minutes a day. No selling, no MLM, no crypto. And you are going to love it. So what do you need to do next? Really, you need to just say, I'm in. I'm ready. Commit to your success. Don't sell your soul to social media and just waste your life and all your family watching a screen. Please, please, please. And just use our simple system and follow it to a T. Follow it for success. So you've got a choice. Click the next button wherever that is, or go to the post that says I'm ready. Okay, and we will send you the lady who invited you to this group, or if you've received a link from somebody, then obviously just go ahead and press the button to get started. And it's a one-time 30 USD. No other costs, absolutely none. I want you to know that, because often programs, they say that, but there really are. We have no other costs associated with what we do. It's so fantastic, and I'm so happy that you have been watching, and we hope you join us. Thank you very much for listening, girls.